Hi, I'm Renana. I'm going to show you how to make pasta out of clay. And these are the ones that I already made. First you need
translucent
clay and about this much rolled into a ball. And you need these tools. First, throw it into a bowl. Then poke it like this to make it fat. And then use this tool to make it curved. And then
hold it so we can see the shape.
And then use this tool, this part, to poke it, not all the way through, but halfway through. And that's how it's going to look like.
Then you bake it?
Then you bake it, and if you want, you can put a little... Where's the hooks? I need a hook. Put a little hook in it, or you can put a little smiley face. Thank you for watching. Bye. James, move your face out of the way.